Welcome back to the continuation process of the lake property landscaping. I'm going to talk to you about a lot of different things that we're thinking about with this landscape project, including a wall and where that's going to go and why, and the troubles and process that it took us to get there. But I hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to go through things and the difficulties we had step by step so you can actually see it and hear it and get an idea of, just what it takes to do something like this on a hill. So it's not just a steep drop into the lake, but it's also the side of a mountain that we're building on, that we're leveling in two different levels. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you soon. That has been buried and it's still it's not rotten. Good shape. It's amazing. And it was buried. Well, some of it's rotten. We'll see. That's that huge 5-foot wide tree. I think it's hemlock. I'm not positive. I'm standing on a hemlock stump right now. He's pulling the dirt away from this. He's going to put it on the other side of this lower level to raise it. And then, again, I've said this before, but this is where he's going to put that cement wall. Cinder block, cement block, whatever they call it. And that tree's ready to go because it is rotten. It's some pretty long tendril roots. Whoa. Away goes the wall. That thing was holding up all that wall and stone. I think he needed to pull that out in order to get the rest of that tree stump out. That tree, again, it's huge, really huge roots. So we just took that piece out, and I'm sitting on that stump. See my foot. This thing isn't going anywhere, the stump, I mean. But all this stuff is going to get taken out. Because between this stump and going that way is going to be a cement retaining wall. Cinder blocks. Pretty sure it's going to take that stump out too. Pretty rotten. It may not look it, but he's only about 4 feet away from me. But I trust him. I think he's going to dig around this trunk, stump. Surprisingly, it's pretty well embedded. And it's pretty well rotten too. It's amazing that it's so embedded. Now this thing's powerful and it can't pull that stump out. That's how deeply embedded it is, and with multiple roots. What's that? Yeah, that's the way to go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a big chunk. Holy crap. I don't know if those roots down there are from this tree or that tree. Or maybe both together. Wow. Well, I can tell you one thing, it's moving my seat. I'm sitting on this stump. That's incredible. So they just came with rebar, timbers, and cinder blocks. They're gonna unload it. Okay, the excavator guy dug out an area here. He's gonna put like a dead man in, because the line is like from here over to there, and he'll put cement in there with rebar to hold it all in place so it doesn't go down the hill. He also backfilled a lot of this. It's hard to tell, but camera just doesn't pick it up, but he backfilled it so it's level. It's hard to show on the camera just how steep this is, but it's close to a straight drop down. There's no stopping if you fall. Well, here is where the cement wall will go. And it's 4 feet in this area and 3.5 over there. So I don't know if he's going to raise this or what he's going to do to make it all level. That will be seen in the future. Subscribe and you'll see it. Or just come back. That cinder block thing was there when this was an RV park, and people were supposed to put their garbage in there to keep the bears away. But that's the plastic top. I don't think that would keep the bear away.